animals see the world. First, dogs. Dogs only have two types of color sensors, which are sensitive to blues and yellows. Because of this, they have difficulty determining between red and green. Next, cats. Cats have another type of sensor in their eye named a rod. Their vision is excellent for night hunting, but it is not as rich as human vision. Finally, mosquitoes. They have compound eyes, which are made up of hundreds of tiny lenses. Due to this, they detect movement very well. Mosquitoes also have a special ability to sense heat. This means they can detect heat from our bodies, which helps them find us even in the dark. This is